allow me to give you a quick networking lesson. I just want to take a few seconds and explain to you how it gets from wherever it is. So the first thing is we have the internet. Let me get a better pen. We have the internet. So what happens? Everyone wants to connect here, but what is the internet? It's just a linkage between different networks, and we're able to communicate and exchange information. Layman's explanation. So from the internet, we'll say like now I need to access a resource on Google in USA. So I'll connect to the internet, but how I connect to that internet is quite a process that is done in an instant of time. So for instance, from the internet or from wherever I'm connecting, we'll have a connection of fiber. Here they have servers, all those data center things. And then once I connect this fiber, now let's say this is, okay, I'm just putting a quick overview. This is your country or your continent. This is Africa. Fiber doesn't come like directly this way, so I need to do a quick erase. Just erase it. Okay. So once you receive internet, so once we have this, oh, I also need to clean it up nicely. So this is your PC, this is your handheld phone somewhere, right? We need to make sure that you can also connect to this internet. So what happens? Some companies are running fiber along the continents. And the purpose is, as long as there's any information sent from here, it can go through the fiber and get to you. So let's say your country is here. What will happen is your country will also get maybe this fiber landing from the main line to some line linking your country. Then from here we'll have a landing service that transmits to your devices. But how this happens here again is just another level of magic. Let me add another screen. So what magic are we talking about? So some ISPs, you see, from here, this is an ISP who will get this service and then now supply to you. And then you're able to communicate and connect to the next. So what happens is the ISP is here. You know a lot of ISP or service providers. So the ISP will give you a link. On the link, they will give you will have your own router. But before you deploy a router, make sure to always secure your network. So include a firewall. This firewall will help you to filter what comes in and out of your network. So network security is quite important. Some newer models of routers even have firewall functions. Then from the router, now you will have maybe a switch. This router could also be a controller. Then you'll have a switch. This switch now will power you can directly connect your PC into the switch. There's also other options. We can get a wireless AP. This is ceiling. We can also get a wireless AP that is outdoor. We can get the wall AP. So these APs, what happens is they can now enable wireless connectivity, and then now you get your phone connecting to this. So you see, from the big picture where I need to access this resource, now the resource will flow. Let me pick a different color. So let's say this is your internet. Your internet, okay, your resource. Let me say you're downloading a picture from USA here. So it will flow through the fiber cable, come here, and then come to you, to you through your ISP. Then the ISP will supply you with that subscription. Where is that color? So you see, your picture is still loading. Yes, it is in your country. But now, when we get here, it continues coming through the firewall. It's filtered if it's safe for you to see. If it's not safe, it's not allowed to come. Then in to the router, to the switch, then to your PC. Or if you had requested from your phone, to the switch, then to the access point, then wirelessly to your phone. That is how it works. So it starts from some other end and then it transmits over the fiber into your local network. So there's so much we can explain here. If anything is not clear, I understand it's not clear for most of you. You can just leave a comment, then I'll be able to understand it and then record something else that explains it in more detail and maybe a clear and precise way, so that you can also relate and understand how connectivity works for you and for your business, right? So stay tuned for more. If you have not followed us, please follow us, subscribe to our content, and you'll continue learning more on networking, more on what we do, more on what solutions Hikvision gives you. Remember, we are in Nairobi, in Kilimani. Come, feel free to reach us. We'll take you through our showroom and then you'll be able to understand our solutions and we can do more. Cheers.